Good morning, students. I am taking a solved example of the chapter circles. This is a very important example frequently asked in the examinations. If two intersecting chords of a circle make equal angles with the diameter passing through their point of intersection, prove that the chords are equal. क्या मतलब हुआ? एक सर्कल लिया, सेंटर O है. These are two chords, intersecting chords of a circle, है ना. ये दोनों इंटरसेक्ट कर रही हैं इस पॉइंट E पे एंड दे मेक इक्वल एंगल्स विद द डायमीटर, यानी कि ये एंगल OEL and OEM, this is equal. These two angles are equal. We can name it as angle 1 and 2 also. Then you have to prove that these chords are equal. So we make a construction. सेंटर O से दोनों chords AB and CD के ऊपर हम परपेंडिकुलर ड्रॉ कर लेते हैं. OL is perpendicular to chord AB and OM is perpendicular to chord CD. You are given that angle AEQ is equal to DEQ. That means angle MEO and LEO are equal. This is given to you. Now, in these two triangles, these small triangles, OEL and OEM. Look, OE is common. Angle L, that means OLE and OME, this is 90 degree by construction because we have drawn perpendicular. And this angle OEL and OEM are equal. Therefore, by right, this is 90 degree angle. तो एक ये एंगल और OE, यानी कि AAS कॉन्ग्रुएंस रूल से दोनों ट्राइंगल्स कॉन्ग्रुएंट हो गए. When the two triangles OEL and OEM are congruent, that means their corresponding sides are equal. That is, OL is equal to OM. But what is OL and OM? These are perpendicular distances from center to the chord. And अभी आपने थ्योरम पढ़ी थी जो कहती है if two chords are equidistant from the center, perpendicular distance means distance of chord from the center. If two chords are equidistant from the center, then the chords are equal. Since OL is equal to OM, therefore chord AB is equal to chord CD. और यही हमें प्रूफ भी करना था. आई होप ये क्वेश्चन आपको समझ में आया होगा, क्योंकि आगे इसी तरह के और भी क्वेश्चंस आपको करने होंगे. इसका कन्वर्स भी हो सकता है कि अगर कॉर्ड्स इक्वल हैं तो देन दे मेक इक्वल एंगल्स विद द डायमीटर एट द पॉइंट ऑफ इंटरसेक्शन. वो भी आप इसी तरह से प्रूव कर सकते हैं कंस्ट्रक्शन करके. बेस्ड ऑन दिस example and concepts, now you can try question number 1 and 2 of exercise 10.4, and if you find any difficulty then you can ask me.